So for the maintenance, each lesson that I've created is highly structured and guided with I do, we do, you do. So naturally the students will maintain the new skill pretty well. But it's important at the beginning of each lesson to review or re-talk about what we had already learned so that the students can jog their mind and get re-engaged. Throughout the activities, I will use positive reinforcement when the students are demonstrating the understanding of the new skill set. I will also provide the corrective feedback for when the new skill has been demonstrated incorrectly. For generalization, the students understanding about how they can use a new skill in a different circumstance or situation. So, like for example, the students will be expanding their material from just reading through newspaper clippings to reading through a whole short passage. They'll also include their peers within the new teaching skills, like in the co-taught classroom when discussing the values Tom has during the story and how those change. Um, and then this also helps them practice establishing the main ideas and supporting when they're writing their 2 to 3 sentences in the class.